Your Excellency the Deputy President, Asante, Your Excellency the Deputy President, Excellency Governor, CS is present, PS is present, CEOs and other senior government officials. Welcome to the 3rd National Holiday Celebration Committee. Your Excellency, you remember that when you got into power, you decided together with the President to completely change how we hold our national holidays. Today, we gather here for the 3rd time. In December last year, we started with Digital Superhighway. In June this year, we went to Embu for the SME and Hustler Fund, and we are now marking the 3rd one, which is going to be presided and opened over by the Deputy President on Afya Nyumbani program. This is a bold program. I will leave it to the speakers to expound, but Your Excellency, it allowed me to mention that you fought very hard for this to be held in Kericho. We therefore gathered in Kericho in a very historic ground called Kapkatet, and we appreciate that you brought us back here not for the but for us to discuss an issue that is going to be bold and revolutionary. Finally, as I step down, I will ask the CS is present, the PS is present, and Your Excellencies, the Governor, the Deputy President to come, because we are marking also the National Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so that you can get your ribbons that we will use to celebrate the month. So kindly, PS is present, CS is present, and the Deputy President come on stage so that we can be able to hold that. Meanwhile, we can run the slides as that happens. The ushers, Kenya, please bring on board the ribbons. Together with the National Cancer Institute. This ribbon